Welcome to Snack and Story Time with Yummy Sprout. Today we're going to be making one of our favorite recipes to make in our cooking classes. We're going to be making donuts out of apples. It's a super easy, healthy, fun snack you can make at home. And we're going to finish up with one of our favorite books, I'll Wait, Mr. Panda. We like to read this book at a lot of our preschool culinary classes. And it's a great one to sort of tie in kitchen and snack with the books that you're reading at home. We're going to go ahead and get started first, though, with our donuts made out of apples. All right, we're going to get started with our donuts made out of apples here, and we're going to start with an apple. We need to go ahead and cut this apple into the shape of donuts. You can use any knife if you've got a grown-up doing the cutting. If you have a kid, we have some Kid Chef knives. These ones that we use in our classes are plastic. A little trickier to go through a large apple, but they will cut slices of apple very well. And we also have these metal ones that we use in our kids' classes too that are designed for kids. Depending on the age, kids can help with this part or the grown-up can do this part. And we're going to go ahead and slice it the way that will turn it in to a donut shape. So you can see I'm slicing it this way so that you sort of get that cool star pattern going on in the middle. And we're going to need to take the middle out to turn it into a donut. A couple of different ways that you can do that. You can use a spoon or a knife. If you have a sharp knife, a grown-up will probably need to do that part. Or if you have a corer. I think this one's a pineapple corer, but it works great on apples. So we're going to go ahead and use it. Sort of take out the middle. And there we go. So now we have our apple donuts, and we're going to go ahead and decorate them. And you guys can decorate these at your house however you like. We're going to use some cashew butter today. Cashew butter has a lot of protein. It's good for you. It's super creamy. It goes great with apple. But you could use peanut butter, another nut butter, or sunflower seed butter. It works great. You could also use cream cheese or a cream cheese substitute. Whatever you have that makes a nice little topping for your apple. It's also going to work kind of like a little bit of a glue for us to stick some other fun things on top of it. And there we go. We've got our apples ready. I've got some chocolate chunks here I'm going to go ahead and put on. So if you have chocolate chips or a little bit of chocolate, you can add that. We also have some natural sprinkles. So they were naturally colored. We're going to go ahead and add some sprinkles. And then I love to add coconut. So if you have shredded coconut and you like that, you can go ahead and sprinkle that on. And another thing that works great is freeze-dried fruit. We've got some freeze-dried strawberries. You could put them on whole. I just kind of crush them up over the top. Kind of get a fun little sprinkling on your donuts. And you could add really whatever you have on hand that you think would be a good donut topping. Let me think. Crushed cookies would be really good. So there you guys can see some awesome apple donut snacks that you guys can make at your house. And now we're going to go ahead and read our book. All right, I'll Wait, Mr. Panda, one of our favorite books. What are you making, Mr. Panda? Wait and see. It's a surprise. Now, if you look closely, you can see there's a little penguin peeking out of the corner. No, I will not wait. Goodbye. I'll wait, Mr. Panda. Are you making cookies, Mr. Panda? Wait and see. It's a surprise. No, waiting is too hard. Goodbye. I'll wait, Mr. Panda. Are you making cupcakes, Mr. Panda? Wait and see. It's a surprise. No, I'm done waiting. I'll wait, Mr. Panda. And all the little bunnies say, goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Nobody wants to wait. I'm ready. Is it ready yet, Mr. Panda? No, wait here. I don't like waiting. What does the penguin say? Oh, wait, Mr. Panda! He definitely doesn't mind waiting. I'm waiting, Mr. Panda. Surprise! Wow, that was worth the wait, I would say. If you got a giant donut that big, I bet it would definitely have been worth the wait. I know. Thank you, Mr. Panda. I can't wait to eat it. Wow, what a fun book. Well, sometimes in life we do have to wait for things, especially recipes maybe that go in the oven. This is a great snack, though, that does not take long to make, and you don't have to wait too long to eat it. Hope you enjoyed our story and you get a chance to make this snack, and we'll be bringing you more snacks and stories coming very soon.